Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Jamer Candal. I am applying for the role of electrician. I'm a Filipino, age of 24, religion of Roman Catholic, residence of Batangas, Santa Rita. I'm a single. My dependents are I am the eldest in my family. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. My father is currently working as a warehouseman for almost 24 years, and my mother is currently working as a OFW in Saudi for almost 4 years. My highest education is senior high school. After I graduate senior high school, I take vocational course, major of AIM, means electrical installation and maintenance. After I graduate vocational course, my first work experience as an electrician for almost 1 year is in First Balfour, location in Santa Rita, Batangas. And my duties and responsibility is as an electrician is to provide their electrical supply and repair their broken power tools, most likely like grinder, speed cutter, drill, and give them light if they take overtime. And my next work experience is in EEI Corporation. I worked for them for almost 1 year and located in De La Paz, Batangas. And my duties and responsibilities as an electrician is installation of cables, cable tray, and terminating electrical supply. And my next work experience as an electrician is in Pujihaya International. I worked for them for almost 4 months, located in Bawan, Batangas. My duties and responsibilities as an electrician is terminating push buttons, control panel, installation of conduits and cable tray, loop checking, testing, and IR, insulation resistance. That's all, sir. And I want to work in Europe because I want to repay all the sacrifices of my family and give them a better life. Thank you.